catch up with my, try to catch up with my, try to catch up with my, catch up with my. This really was a good time. Try to bury myself. It's so high. Turning over low. Try to catch up with my hand.
Our first look at the water tank placement. We'll have an access door on the side, not only for the slider, but then we'll have access for filling up the tank.
Yeah, it'll feel very similar to the way the camper does, just with a cap. So you'll open the door and you'll be able to fill it or run water out of the tank with the pump.
We're gonna simulate a drive shaft since we don't have one yet. It's about a 34-inch drive shaft.
See how this maybe it's too long.
With no flex, we got a little over 3 inches of
Okay.
clearance.
Perfect.
So that's to come down
It's just,
about 2 inches.
yeah, it's gonna be just right.
So we're gonna have to drop the front part of this floor about 2 inches so that it cleanly will slide out so it clears this rail. Widthwise we look good.
Yeah, it'll come right out there. This actually will come back just a little bit with the door opening.
One of the sliders will, as you saw, hold the fridge, and then the plan for the other sliders to build kind of an elevated rack for a grill to sit on, and then underneath you can store whatever cooking, anything that you need. Utensils, pots, spices, things like that can be stored underneath. So,
Fire extinguisher.
fire extinguisher. Super short video, not a whole lot of updates, but progress is progress, and I want to get this video uploaded right away because tomorrow we start our 2-week road trip in the Cherokee. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. My cousin Ryan is getting married in Eugene, and then we're going to be visiting Richard and Verona up in Klatskanai. I'm going to show Kinsey where this whole journey began at the marina and the Astoria area, so it's gonna be a good time. Super excited to get out of the camper. So we're gonna be gone for a little bit, and I just want to give you guys the latest update. The rough draft version of the body is done. Now it's gonna be cleaning everything up. We gotta move these body mounts a little bit farther back so the slider can function properly. The two sliders took up all the rear cargo space before. You know, one would fit right here and one would fit right there, and that's all the cargo space. Now we have all this extra space. We got 4 inches wider, and we still have the sliders that will pull out on both sides. With the wheel well pushed forward, we have all this extra room as well on both sides. Kodiak generator might fit perfect there, and we'll put a little access panel there so we can plug in. We'll have the bed over the top of everything, and underneath will be one big slide out tray about 5 feet long. So we're gonna have tons of extra room. I'm super excited, you guys. You guys continue to be super supportive, so I have a ton of people to thank. First off, to new Patreon supporters. Dawson Sensenig, James Williams, Zach Beeson, Jim Gillespie, and Nick. A couple of you guys decided to donate on PayPal as well, so thank you to these two people. Matt Engel and Price. Jade, be good. See you in a couple weeks. Gotta start packing up the Cherokee. Get her ready for the road. Hopefully this old girl gets us to where we need to go. We'll find out. Alright everybody, talk to you soon. Jimmy! Little turd. Jimmy, what you barking at? Bubba. Jimmers, what are you barking at, buddy?